Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize RDP access to Windows VMs using Azure MFA detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize RDP access to Windows VMs using Azure MFA, start by logging into your Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure Active Directory section. Select Users from the sidebar menu. Locate and select the user you want to enable for RDP access. Under the Authentication Methods tab, click on Add Authentication Method. Choose Phone or Authenticator app as your method of MFA. Follow the prompts to set up the authentication method. Next, navigate to the Virtual Machines section within the Azure portal. Select the Windows VM for which you want to enable RDP access. In the VM settings, click on Networking. Locate the Inbound Port Rules section. Ensure that RDP, port 3389, is allowed by default. Then, go to the Extensions plus Applications tab. Click on Add to install a new extension. Search for NPS extension for Azure and select it. Click Create to deploy the extension. Configure the settings as prompted, linking it to your Azure AD. After deployment, go to Networking once again. Under the Network Security Group link, access the NSG associated with your VM. Edit the inbound security rules if necessary to allow RDP traffic. Now, return to the user settings in Azure Active Directory. Make sure the user has the user administrator role or sufficient permissions. Next, set the RDP connection using the following format: mstsc/v your VM IP. When prompted for credentials, enter the user's Azure AD username and password. You will then be prompted for MFA. Complete the MFA challenge through the chosen method. Once validated, you should have access to the Windows VM via RDP. Finally, test the connection to ensure everything is working smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.